Hello everyone, this is Project Caritas and I'm Stefan Dimov, and in today's episode we are going to talk about the world's most popular drug, caffeine. But more specifically, how to enjoy it in a sustainable, environmentally friendly and socially responsible way with Percol. Percol was the first ground coffee to be Fairtrade certified, and now they're on a mission to become the world's most sustainable coffee company. But before we dig a bit deeper into Percol's sustainable efforts, we asked Josh, a professional barista at Origin Coffee Roasters, to give us an idea of what Fairtrade coffee is.
When we're talking about fair trade, I like to think about direct trade, how we talk to the farmers and how their coffee is going to make into a business, and how it ends up here and hopefully enjoying to you guys.
In a nutshell, fair trade guarantees farmers a fair price, decent working conditions and adequate training. Luckily, nowadays many coffee companies are fair trade certified, but how many can say they're also plastic free and carbon neutral? Well, for now we can only think of one: Percol. As mentioned before, Percol is on a mission to become the world's most sustainable coffee company. They are already leading the way by becoming a carbon neutral company. This means that they are offsetting all of their carbon emissions at every stage of their supply chain, from factory to shelf. And by switching to plastic-free packaging, Percol is also UK's first plastic-free coffee company, so you can enjoy a great tasting coffee without having to worry about the environmental impact your coffee has on the planet. And the best part? Percol has introduced their plastic-free home compostable packaging to a range of their coffee products.
So let's say you are a decaf, no foam, skim latte, double shots with a drizzle of caramel on top type of person?
Don't worry about it. Percol got you covered. Or let's say you like your coffee black. No sugar, no milk, no fooling around. Boom! In this case, here's your intense espresso or rich Americano. And for those of you out there, like me, who like their coffee with well-balanced notes of fruits or nuts, Colombian or Peruvian might be just the right one for you. That's a good coffee. What I'm trying to say here is that if you've decided to be a conscious consumer who looks after their environmental footprint, with Percol you don't have to make compromises on price, ethical certifications or taste. Percol also comes as coffee bags, which are easy to use, similarly to tea bags, allowing you to enjoy a cup of proper ground coffee without the fuss. Ground coffee covering all ground from bright smooth blend to a dark strong roast. Perfect for French press or cafetiere. And whole beans to best suit your lifestyle and coffee brewing preferences. Speaking of brewing coffee, my favorite way of brewing coffee is with a French press, because it's an easy and convenient way to brew a delicious cup of coffee in no time. And now Josh will tell us how to brew the perfect cup of coffee with a French press.
So for French press, I always recommend going quite coarse when you grind, dosing normally about 80 grams per person, and then from that, kind of just go through the normal process. Just pop nice hot water, about 95 degrees, nice and full, let it steam, and then just plunge whenever you're ready, whenever you think the strain is ready.
Josh, thanks for sharing the knowledge. Now it's time for my sustainable cup of coffee. Well, I guess that was everything from me and Project Caritas. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!